Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to draw a Squishmallow bat. Let's start with the Squishmallow shape. So bring it around like so. Use your whole arm to draw that. There's the Squishmallow shape. Now just below in the middle, but below halfway. So just down here, we're going to start with a shape for the belly. Bring that around and then back up and around like so. Now let's put the wing on. Just about halfway, just above. We're going to put a line like that. Then we're going to do 3 bumps along here. So 1 bump, 2, and then 3 back around like so. Now the same distance across the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to go 1 bump, 2 bumps, and then 3 into there. Try and keep them the same size. That's fractionally bigger than that, but we could thicken that up later. Let's go with an ear out that side and an ear out this side. They're slightly different, but that's okay. It's a Squishmallow. And then we're going to bring that in and that in like that. Now remember, to be a good drawer, it takes practice. It's not just going to happen. Circle for the eye there and a circle for the eye here. Try and keep them the same size. Another circle inside. Colour that in. Another circle here. Colour that in. Now let's draw the cool mouth. Little smile with a couple of little fangs like so. There's the mouth of the Squishmallow. There we have a cute Squishmallow bat ready for colouring in.